Behind every successful surgery, there's a skilled team working behind the scenes to make it possible. The Sterile Processing Technician program at EVIT trains you to master the essential skills that keep hospitals and surgical centers running, like decontamination, inspection, assembly, and sterilization of surgical tools.
The best part of the sterile processing program was the labs that you get to do, and here you get all of the equipment and everything. Having hands-on experience for this kind of position is definitely necessary. I love the medical field because you are able to help a lot of different people and definitely save lives.
You'll learn everything from surgical supply to sterile storage and gain real-world experience through clinical rotations. You'll complete the program with the skills, experience, and certification you need to launch a healthcare career. Your future, your way at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu.